Hello guys, it's Neil T Cuber here, and today I'm gonna see what's in my cubing competition backpack. Oh God, that thing is heavy. So we got our backpack here, and the first thing I want you to see is what's in the back. And so I'm gonna open this. I have a stack mat timer and a stack mat. This is actually not the stack mat you've seen me use in my videos. It's my old mat. It's smaller, so I put it in. I fit a clock in the back, and that's it. And usually I put my iPad in the back for smart cubing. The phone is just too small for the GAN app. But now what you guys really were looking to see is this. So these are the cubes that are in it. So I'll go through them one by one. This is my GAN Smart Cube. It's the GAN 12 UI Free Play. My smart cube that I use the most. I will whack you with a stack mat. And this is my GAN 11M Pro. Yeah, this is my GAN 11M Pro cube. It's a pretty good 3x3. It's my backup main. But then this GAN 13 is my backup main. I have a Soup Timmy, a signed Soup Timmy GAN 14 case with a GAN 14 inside. Yeah, I got it signed by Soup Timmy. I have this Yushin treasure box, which is basically a treasure chest that only works when the cube is solved. I haven't used this in a while. I haven't used that in a while. I'll show you. Two hands right. You just open it up like that. It's just a treasure chest that has some money inside. And then you basically just close it up. Pull. And it's on its way. So this is my 4x4 here. This cube. It's the Moyu RS4M. It's a pretty good 4x4. It doesn't pop, but I don't really compete in 4x4. I just use it for fidgeting, I guess. And so yeah, I have this Megaminx, which is the Diane Megaminx V2M. It's a very small Megaminx. No, I do not have that big of hands. And it's pretty small. I'm planning to get the GAN Megaminx Maglev. And yeah, this here is an empty case. I usually like to, this is my main cube, by the way, this empty case. I usually it's a 3x3. Doesn't look like one, but I usually, how I solve it is I just open up the case and it's solved. So anyway, I have this handmade Rubik's Infinity Cube that I made myself. It's pretty cool looking, and there's not much to say about it. It has the exact color scheme of a normal cube. Yeah. this is my actual main, like not the empty case, but it is a Tornado V3, Tornado V3, and a Tornado V3, Tornado V3, and a Tornado V3. I also have this mirror cube, which is cool. It's the GAN Mirror M. It's pretty fun to play with at competitions when I'm waiting. I got the GAN Cube M Enhanced. Oh no, Buttercup. Oh, come back here, Scooby. Psst. Okay, here it is. You saw it fly. And here's the Scube. I also have this name sticker so that I don't get my backpack confused with anyone else's. I have the Tornado V3 card, credit card. But yeah, I have the Tornado V3 card, and I have this extra GAN bag. So that's pretty much it, but I have some more stuff. In this pouch, I keep a Sharpie for when cubing YouTubers come. I have an extra strap for my backpack. I have some cube tools. And I have another Sharpie. And I have a competitor card from one of my competitions. I don't even remember what competition this was. Wait. Actually, forget it. And that's pretty much it. But before you leave, there's this cube here. Yay, fun, happy, congratulations. And I have to clean up this mess. Bye.